So I'm going to adjust into here. Oh, did you hear a crack?
I heard it.
Nice. Anything you don't finish, I'll eat. All right, so we have Chopped. This is his second appointment, although we didn't film the first one because Screen Actors Guild was on a strike, and him being a famous actor, no, there wasn't. It wasn't anything. We just didn't film it. But Chopped is back today, and he likes me, right? He got out of the car and he started pulling you over here.
Yeah, right to the front door.
Yeah. So you and your mom was also saying that he doesn't like everybody. Like, so if he decides he doesn't like someone, he lets you guys know right away.
Instantly, 10 seconds, I know he likes somebody.
Yeah. So what's his breed? Do you know? Is he a mix of a few?
He's a bully breed.
Yeah.
So he has a little bit of English Bulldog in him, and then I believe Stafford.
Okay. Really nice dog. He's 9 years old approximately?
No, 13 this month.
13. Okay. When's your birthday?
May 28th.
May 20. That's my mom's birthday.
Oh, see that?
See?
Good day.
That's a good day. It's a good day. My mom's birthday is May 28th, your birthday. What are some of his issues, and tell us a little bit about what you've been noticing with him and why he came in today.
So as he's been getting older, he's been having, I want to say, like arthritis pains predominantly, pain in his lower back, front shoulder, walking, his front paws, they don't flip as fast.
Mm-hmm.
And then after his first visit, we saw instant relief and a complete different dog walking right out of here even, not even the next day.
That's really cool. Something your mom told me also was that prior to the first visit, he would be squatting to go to the bathroom, like
And
poop
walking.
to poop. But he couldn't hold a squat, so he would like walk
Shimmy
out of
forward,
it. And then after he got back to a normal squat, so that was probably some of the stuff we did with his lower back and pelvis, which allowed him to get into a comfortable squat to have a bowel movement. And so that's kind of good, right? Everybody wants to be comfortable when they're having a bowel movement. Can we work with you today? Is it okay if we do a little work? I'd like to ask, let you think about that. Is it okay if we get started with him?
Of course.
Look, that's making him jump a little bit. So we're already in a spot here that's twitchy. So I came down here, not bad. As soon as I hit here, he starts twitching. Do you see him quivering? Because that's tender. Up here, not bad, not bad, not bad. And then I come right, and then he begins to twitch. So that's bad there. He's let me do everything. And then here it gets bad again. You can feel how bumpy this is. Here, Nick, check this out right here. So right here it lumps up a little bit.
Yeah.
And that's a bad spot for all dogs, or horses even. And that's where the thoracic area where we have our ribs, and it becomes the lumbars. So dogs have 7 bones in their neck, then they have 13, and then they have 7. We have 7, 12, and 5. But that transition between the 13th bone and the first lumbar is an area that gets a lot of arthritis on dogs and horses and cats and pigs, because they have to deal with gravity. So gravity's pulling their belly down towards the ground. As they get older, they lose some of their muscle tone, and their abdominal wall is not as strong as it was when they were young guys. So I'm going to adjust into here. Oh, did you hear a crack?
I heard it.
Sorry about that. Okay, 1 second. That was a good crack though, wasn't it, before?
Yeah.
I'm shocked that he just let me do everything.
Sorry, 1 second. Oh, good, I got that one out. That's one. Okay, that's a bad one there. So I think that's one of his bad spots. Got it. So let's get on these legs now.
Last time you let him do your tail and everything. All right.
Can you maybe hold the collar?
Yeah.
Yeah, just like that, like you're holding on. I'm done. Let's let him walk around. So let's see if he shakes. So we're gonna get him up, see if he shakes out. There's a nice little shake.
Come here.
Mr. Shake?
Hey,
No, it's just, he's just resetting.
come here.
It's kind of a,
Come back. Say you're sorry.
okay, we're friends. I had to work, I had to get it done. And I got some really good releases.
Yeah, I heard a few cracks.
Yeah. All right, can we be good? I know that freaked you out a little bit, but my veterinarian teachers always said, you have to remember there's a job to do, so get the job done.
Mm-hmm.
And the job was to give a good adjustment today.
He always gets a little finicky with his butt.
All right. We all have our boundaries around the butt, right?
Come on. Come on.
Okay. All right, you're a good guy. All right, we're finishing.
Back to front again.
Yeah.
The way that he was walking before, he was crawling before. Now, come on.
Yeah, look how he walked. My
Like the
goodness, Dick.
pace of how he walks is so much faster. Before he was like, I can't walk. And that's what, a minute after his session?
Trader Joe's
See how he walked down the hallway?
working on the better now.
So much better.
Yeah.
Good boy.
I have a Trader Joe's dog biscuit. Is that okay?
Keats with it.
Here you go.
You could actually eat that chopper, it's not rubber. I gotta say, he's super gentle with taking food out of hands.
Nice. Anything you don't finish, I'll eat.
Thank you so much.
All right. So he's moving a little better. Thanks. Would you like to learn how to massage your dog like a pro? Whether you have a puppy or senior dog, from a teacup to a Great Dane, it's all covered in my 3.5-hour, 16-video chapter, 100% online video course. Hi, I'm Dr. Doug Willen, the Animal Cracker on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, with over 500,000 subscribers and followers. You and your dog will both benefit, and your dog will live a calmer, healthier, pain-free life when you learn to apply this simple-to-learn routine that can be performed in just a few minutes per day.
I've been having so much fun with it. It's easy to follow. I'm really enjoying it, and so are they.
I've been doing Dr. Willen's How to Massage Your Dog class with my dog. He's got really bad hips, so the class has been really great for us. Right? You're a good boy.
So I took the How to Massage Your Dog course and they really love it. They've been benefiting from it, so have I. I think it helps your relationship with your dog.
This is the rib move. I just made that up. It doesn't even have a name. You have a great chest muscle. Okay, and then reaching under here. And notice how the scapula or shoulder blade is on the side of the dog's body. This ridge is a very good landmark because you'll often find it on your dog. And it's a very big bony ridge called the spine of scapula. So we're going to start at the head, and we're just going to rub his forehead and see if he lets me do that. And I'm going to come back to the ears now and rub around the ears. And we can do the face. And I'm going to just follow him. Remember, he's a puppy, so it's going to be hard for him to just chill out. I'm rubbing into those muscles. Here I am on the shoulder, and here's the triceps. And then we bring up the little wrist and fingers. Good. And we stretch. And it's just good to mobilize all this. So now I'm folding it in and stretching it long. Folding it in, stretching it long. And it's good with senior dogs to just mobilize these joints because they get achy and older. There's a difference between unconscious petting and patting and tapping and fully intentional healing hands, which I like to call the touch of love. Intentional touch is a whole other level. It's a healing level. It's transformational. It's therapeutic, and sometimes even diagnostic. You, as the owner, will learn to detect early signs of pain and even possibly detect early onset of a disease. And then you'll be able to reach out to your vet long before the problem becomes unsolvable. A shy dog can learn to trust. An angry dog can learn to be loved and to love. A neurotic dog can learn to start to be calm. An aging dog can start to let go of some pain and maybe live its final days pain-free, or as pain-free as possible.
I gotta say, he's super gentle with taking food out of hands.
Nice. Anything you don't finish, I'll eat.